Anywhere you go, give it all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my channel. Here we do lifestyle, beauty, hair, skincare, makeup, reviews, haul, you name it. This is the kind of video you like to watch. I invite you to subscribe and stay as a family. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you, I love you guys. So today's video we're going to be reviewing, try on this beautiful brush here from Plavogue. And you guys know that I'm very big fan of the hair dry brushes now, because it just dry my hair in no time. And if you have long hair or hair extension like I do, you know that sometimes take a long time to dry this whole hair. So with this brush I actually achieved this beautiful and sleek look in no time. In around 10 minutes or so I was able to dry the whole hair and get this sleek, beautiful, shiny look. I did a little video unboxing the hair dryer so you guys can see how it comes in the box and all the little things, and show you guys all the settings. So before we get into try this beauty, I'm going to let you guys watch that unbox little video first. And you do have 24 months of hassle-free warranty with this brush, which is amazing. And you have 24/7 customer support, and they have dual voltage, and it is redesigned, which is great. So that's me, it's brand new and a new model. And this is a HO oval design, which is beautiful. And the negative ion technology, automatically voltage switch, reinforced charcoal bristles, which is good for don't damage your hair, and vegetable grade. Alright, so this is a little bit about the brush for you guys. And the brush comes with this little top part here that can assist you as you dry your hair. You can hold so not gonna burn your hands, which is amazing. And you have the nice setting here with the three different settings. You have cool, hot, and super hot. And you do have this nice swirl cable here, and you have the air vent here where the air comes out. Design is super beautiful. This gold and white is super sleek, super chic. It's a very beautiful tool. So let's get into this video so this video get so long. I like to say thank you so much for Plavogue for sending me this full review and for sponsoring this video. Thank you, I appreciate you guys. So let's try this beauty. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing on the brush for you guys. It's a very beautiful brush, but that's how the box comes. With love from Plavogue. Stay beautiful. That's nice. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box one by one, and then but you guys can see the box here, so I'm just gonna put it on my lap and show you guys one by one so you can see good. Right off the bat here I see this little universal adapter. Oh nice, cool. So it actually comes with a universal adapter. So for Europe it's like the same. In South America we use the 2 plugs. Super cool. And here you have a little lock and unlock button for your adapter. Wow, this is cool. It actually let me unlock it. Oh my god, wow, look how cool is that. You can actually fit many different outlets. This is super cool. So let's just put everybody back and put the adapter down. That was cool. Then you have this one-step hair dryer. So the little manual here, they show you the brush and a little info about. Oh, and here you have this thank you Plavogue card. Alright, put this down. Let's go to the good. The good is the brush. So the brush comes very well packed. Come with this cute little pink bowl here, which is very thoughtful. Ooh, the brush, it is beautiful. I have like this beautiful kind of, I don't know if it's gold or rose gold. It looks more like a rose gold finish and white. The handle, it's very nice, give you a very good grip. the cord. It comes with a really nice long cord, and it does come with this velcro thing here that you can actually store your tool without tangling mess with the wire. And you guys can see that the cable is swivel, so it's easy for you to maneuver your brush without the wire being in your way. So there is the brush, very nice. You have the big ceramic bristles, you have the anti-tangle bristles here, you have the air vent here. Okay, you have here the settings. You have hot, you have cool, hot, and plus hot and off button. So you pretty much have two heat settings. You have lower heat and higher heat. You know, if somebody doesn't like to put a lot of heat on your hair, you go to the lower hot. Alright, these look pretty cool, and you have the air vent here where your air probably filters through. So now that we see what comes in the box, let's put this baby to the test. Alright, so let me plug this in so we can start it. So the first thing, I'm gonna put the beautiful brush down from Plavogue, and then I'm going to part my hair so I can get into this video and put this brush to the test. And I am used to these brushes, and they actually do an amazing job. Right guys, so I have my hair part all out of the way. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of heat protector to heat defense to my hair, and I'm gonna go adding by section as I go. So I'm gonna show you guys the heat setting here, and then after that I'm going to put the music on so you guys don't have to hear all the noise as I dry my hair, but you're gonna see what I'm doing. So here we have cool air. You have here the medium heat, the medium heating set, and here you have hot. This is the one I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the highest setting since I have, you know, the hair extension, the hair is long, so it's easier for me to dry with the higher settings. Very impressed. Just a few passes and one section is already slick and pretty. It would take me half an hour to get my hair done normally, but with this brush it just takes me like less than 10 minutes. So in no time, in less than 5 minutes, I dried the whole side of my hair. So now I'm gonna work on this side here, but the brush works beautifully, performs amazing. Really loving this brush. So one thing that I love about this brush is the ability that I have to work in a big section of hair without having to go one little section at a time. And that's all. In around 12 minutes more or less, I went to dry my hair. Normally with this long hair extension I had to blow dry it and then flat iron the whole hair, but you guys can see how the hair looks beautiful, shiny, and is slick, and I do not need flat iron or curly iron. So this is all for this video. You guys saw how the brush works amazing, how dry the hair and straight at the same time. Or if you actually want like a little wave on the ends of the hair, you can just use the curler and just sit there for a little bit and undo carefully. But I want my hair straight because I need straight for another video that I'm going to film. So yeah, it was really easy to use. It works amazing. So a big thumbs up for this little tool here. And I'm gonna have the link for Plavogue down in the description of this video, and I'm not sure if they're gonna have a discount code, but if they do, it's going to be in the description of this video too. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this beautiful brush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe and stay. It's many other reviews like that coming, because it's my pleasure to share new things with you guys, and this brush was a go. See you guys next video.